कडेन मुख्यमंत्र्याची जी पदां आसा ती तेंचे कडेन सोंपोवची म्हणजे तुमचें कितें म्हणणें?
ते डिसिजन चीफ मिनिस्टरूच घेवंक शकता. एज अ सिनियर मोस्ट लीडर of the house, even Vijay Sardesai has said that Davlikar is the senior most leader of the house. For smooth functioning of the government and good governance, आयज आमकां दिसता की सगळ्या लोकांकूय दिसता की खंय तरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन आसपाक जाय हू वील टेक डे टू डे कॉल. चीफ मिनिस्टर घेता बट तो आपल्या घरा लागीं बसोन घेता. He is being told by his OSDs, officers on special duty, जे तेजे वांगडा पर्सनल सेक्रेटरीज आहा ते तेका सगळे जे गोंयान कितले घडटा सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पुलीस आनी कितें सगळे तेका ते फिडबॅक दीत आसता आनी तो थिंगासून डायरेक्शन दिता. पण सेक्रेटेरियेटान बसपाक आयज आमचे कडेन चीफ मिनिस्टर ना म्हणजे तो सीक आहा. सो दॅट डिसिजन ही वील ओनली हॅव टू टेक. Manohar Parrikar will have to take that decision whether he should give charge or not. We cannot force him. No minister, no MLA can force Manohar Parrikar to take that decision. That is his own. It is his own strength. He is the chief minister, and he has to ask him own self. तेजे क्वेश्चन्साक तेणें विचारपाक जाय. His conscience. He has to ask him own self whether he should give charge or not. Whether he cannot handle it, then he should give charge and still remain as the chief minister.